Shoaib, what's up, my man?
It's fine, it's good, it's going to be amazing, and I'm super excited.
Super excited for what? What are we doing today?
I think it's everyone's bucket list, is top of the bucket list, and it's a lifetime experience, and I'm going to enjoy it.
Yes, it is. We are going to do a skydive here at Skydive Dubai, my man. We'll go up to 4,000 meters or 13,000 feet, whichever comes first. We're going to throw you outside and try and save your life. Does that sound like a good time?
Yes, sure. I'm looking forward to it.
Did you understand everything your instructor said?
Yes, of course.
Do you have any questions for us?
No, let's do it.
All right, my man, let's get up there and have some fun, bro.
Shoppers, better took those risks. Cold blood in my fist, we fire starters. One out of a million will reach those heights. Always set a feeling that I won't deny. That work never could toss. Look in my eyes, I'm on the rocks, guys. But I'm up now, we all too late to fall. Yeah, anyone coming up, I'll lift them all. Never look down when it's risk involved. I got guts, gotta learn, I gotta wish it off. Ain't got no feelings, we just flowing. Yeah, I'm that grain of sand that made it out the ocean. A couple milli now, I'm causing a commotion. I've been coasting, hear my name around the world like an explosion.
So rise up.
Welcome back, man. Was it good?
Yeah, it's more than expectations.
Yeah. What was the best part?
The jump.
Yeah?
Yeah, the really go very, very fast, and it's successful. It's good.
Would you do it again?
Yeah, of course. I'll bring more friends. I think I would recommend them.
Awesome. Big thanks to your instructor over here, Yvonne. Thank you very much, bro. You. All right. See you next year at Skydive Dubai. You.